Good morning, dear students. Here I am your resource person who will take your online classes. And my name is Anita Rana. I hope you will learn with me with full enthusiasm. You will cooperate with me and you will learn positively. And I want this journey of these courses which will be memorable and you will learn a lot of things through Bharat AI Labs. So, we will start year one. The first curriculum is for beginners, that is level one. So, in first lesson, the which starting with beginners, that is scratch. So, students, uh, you have any knowledge about scratch? Okay, I start. What is Scratch? So, Scratch is a block-based programming language. It is free to use. It is a programming tool that allows students to learn how to code visually in engaging way. It is created by Microsoft company and the website targeted for the beginners, that is for children, means kids. So for 8 to 16 age students can learn educational tool for coding. The users of site can create projects on the web using a block-like interface. It is a great way on the language official websites. And the 67 million project shared by over 64 million users, that it is a community program. Students create the projects and share in community so viewers can see easily, and it is translated into 70 plus languages. It is translated into 70 plus languages. They the languages which is very difficult to learn, like Java, script, and C++. These are the difficult language, but Scratch is a programming language, and that is visual programming language in block-based interface. So students can draw and drag and drop the blocks, and the sprite like as the actor can work. So here is the link for opening the Scratch, scratch.mit.edu. It is the official link. So we will start this official link. How to open Scratch? So students, now we learn how to start Scratch. So click on, open your Google browser. There we can use Scratch in two ways, that is online and offline. Okay, you can download it very easily and you can create program in online by creating an account of website. So open the Google browser. You can use any browser like Microsoft, like Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, any browser you can use. And now here you can type, you will type the Scratch official website, scratch.mit.edu, and click on it. The Scratch window will be opened. So students, uh, you you have understood what is Scratch. So what is Scratch? Scratch is a great programming language for students. It is free to use programming language. And through the use of this block-based programming language, students are able to create animations, images, creating stories, games, anything, music, related music, you can create your own projects. So here you can start without creating account, but the your program will not save. So first of all, how to create an account? And if you want to download in your system, then you can go with other browser. You can open a new tab and in search box, you will type download Scratch. So Scratch, this is the official website. So now, uh, when Scratch is started in 19th century, so what is the version of Scratch? Scratch 1.0. Now it's updated its version, so you can download 3.29. Okay, so you can download any Scratch with the click on download button. It's very easily download its software and run in your device. So we have used online program. So first of all, we have to create any account. So you have to click on sign in button if you have created your account. But if you not have created account, then click on join Scratch. Will take some time. Okay, for creating account, you have to give a username that is unique. Like when you created your email account, so you have to give a unique username. So same here, you have to give a username. So anyone can tell, I want to create account for yours. So any student can give your details. Yes, can anyone? Yes, please.
Anyone can tell?
Yes, please.
Yeah, tell.
What is your name?
मैम मैं क्या पूछ सकता हूँ? बताइए मैम यस रावत
Okay, yes, Rawat. I am observing you. You are waving your hands. Okay. So yes, Rawat, I want to create your account. So give your name. Yes,
रावत
and your give your school name. GS. Okay. So it's have available, but if give only one name, that it's give a notification username taken, try another, but we change with name that is taken. Okay, and if you give space, that is not acceptable because username cannot have space, it give. So without spacing and without giving any symbols, you have create your name. So create a password. I give any password and after the class you can change your password. Okay. So I give the password Bharat AI Labs. All are small letter. Bharat AI Labs. Okay. You will write after the class. After the class, I think here is some mistake. Yes, now it's fine. username can't have any space, but okay. Now it's fine. Okay, students. So you can give username without giving space and create a password according to you. And now click on next button. Okay. It asks you want to save your account or password details or not. If you have used your personal device, then you can save. Otherwise, click on never. Now select your country. So from which country? Yes, Rawat, what is your country name? India or Pakistan?
Ma'am, India.
Okay. I am also from India. Okay. Now click on next button. Just a fun only. क्लास बोरिंग नहीं लगनी चाहिए ना, तो बीच में थोड़ा सा.
Ma'am, November.
Okay. You can give any date of birth, November and year.
2009.
Okay, fine. Now gender is male, no confusion, and you have to give your email account because if you forget your password and for the scratch notification you have to use email. So for creating this account you have to use only email, not any contact number. So can give any email ID. Sir, you
Okay,
can.
ma'am, write it down.
Yes, kindly share.
At gmail.com.
Sir, kindly again share.
It's smartzoneeducation at gmail.com. SMART.
Okay, sir. Sorry. Actually, voice is not clear. Smart.
Zone. ZONE. Voice. Smart Zone. ZONE.
NE. Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Smart Zone Education. EDUCATION.
Okay, sir. smartzoneeducation@gmail.com. It's fine, sir. Kindly check.
Yeah, ma'am. It's fine.
Okay, sir. So, student, Mr. Yes Rawat, your account on Scratch is created. Now, click on Get Started button. Okay. So here you can see, yes, Rawat. Yes. Now you can click on create button. Will take some time. So student, this is the first screen of Scratch window. When you download your program in computer, same window will appear on device and same window will appears on online. So you can use it on your Android phone with Google browser. This is the first screen of Scratch window. Here are the coding area. Here the costume of your sprite, and this is the sound block. And here is the setting. If you change any setting, this is the default setting. And here is the file options, in which you will take new page. You will save your document, save as your copy, and load means you can open your document from your device and save to your computer. This is load from your computer, this is save to your computer. Okay. And here is the edit option. Here is untitled. You can give any name to your project. And here is the C project page. कि आपको प्रोजेक्ट का पेज यानी कि इसको टर्न कर सकते हैं। Here is the tutorials. Tutorials means here is the some recorded video of Scratch projects. These are the some Scratch projects for beginners. If you click any project, there is the guidance for creating a project. These are for all animations, art, music, games, stories. So here is the categories. Okay, go to back. And here is your profile details. And the main is the, this is the Scratch working area. This is the stage. And in Scratch, we can call it stage, but its name is backdrop. Okay, so here is the backdrop option, here is the sprite option, and here is the two buttons that is run to your program, and this is the for stop your program. And here is the appearance of stage that is in middle. You can, if your coding is spreading, अगर आपका कोड जो ज्यादा spread है, तो you can use this area. This is the mid and this is the full screen. After creating your project, you can see your project on full screen. So now, what is the sprite? You know about the sprite because in Scratch you will work with sprite. So I can explain what are sprite. Sprite are the images, that is graphical images on a Scratch program. Every Scratch program is made up of sprite. You can see here is the gallery, here is the library of sprite, Scratch sprites. You can take on sprites by any category like animals, like people, like fantasy, dance, music, sport, food, fashion, and letters. Letters means alphabets. Okay, so you can choose any sprite, means any, and it is called a actor of your program, actor or an actress. Means जो भी यहाँ पर आप परफॉर्म कराएंगे टास्क, तो उसको करने के लिए आपको किसी भी एक स्प्राइट, किसी भी एक इमेजेस की, किसी भी कैरेक्टर की नीड होगी, क्योंकि ये क्या है, एक आपका मूवी एरिया है, तो मूवी में क्या होता है कि एक्टर्स जो है वो परफॉर्म करते हैं। ओके, सो यहाँ पर भी एक हमको एक कैरेक्टर लेना होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्राइट. So you all know what is sprite, and same is backdrop, and same is backdrop. So what is backdrop? It is similar to a costume except that is shown on the stage. Instead, they are located at the backdrop. So for background, for creating your background, you can use any backdrop, and there is the category for fantasy. You can use fantasy background. For any music, sports, and there is the outdoor and indoor. You can use space, you can use underwater and patterns also. And if you're not satisfied with the library backdrop, you can upload it. You can upload it from the Google, from any search engine. Okay, so when if sprite is selected, so here is the sprite name. You can give any name to your sprite, and here is the show and hide. If you want to show your sprite, you can click on show button, and if you want to hide, you can the hide button. The sprite is there, but it's not visible. You can change the size of sprite, that is 100. You can give the sufficient. Okay. Here is the direction. Direction means किस सर्कल में है ये. You can change this direction. This is the pointing direction. There is the 90. You can change from here and you can change from here. If you change 180, the sprite can change its direction. Click on 90 again. And you can change the direction by using this anti-clock or clockwise. Okay, so this is the stage, and here stage there are two axes, x and y axis, x for horizontal and y for vertical. For top to down we use y axis, and from left to right we use the x axis. When we move our sprite, so axis will change. Okay, if you want to move your sprite, if you type here, that is the negative. For left side moving, the value will be negative, and from the right side the value will be positive. Same for up and down. If you go up, the volume y axis will be changed positively, and when you go top to down, the y axis will be decreasing. Okay, and the center of stage, that is 0 0 point, means y और x axis क्या होंगे, वो 0 होंगे. That is the center of the stage. Okay, if you move anywhere on the stage, the axis will be changed. And these are the four edges of scratch. Okay, so these are the edges for scratch. Suppose if the sprite will moving, so it can move uh, over the edges, but we want to don't go the over the edges, so we use the block. So now, and this is the script area where you can code. When you have to drag any code, okay, by putting on with the mouse button, you have to click and drag the mouse button and drop on the script area. Okay, when you click on it, you can see the sprite is doing the work according to instructions. Okay, so these are the blocks. Here are the category wise and color wise scheme. So motion, and here is the looks. कि क्या appearance होगा. Here is the sound, event. Different blocks are there, and these are the different loops. Okay, for mobilizing we have used motion block. ओके, अगर स्प्राइट को हमें मोबिलाइज कराना है तो उसके लिए हमें मोशन ब्लॉक को यूज करना होगा. इफ यू वांट टू अपीयरेंस ऑफ स्प्राइट, तो आप हमें लुक्स ब्लॉक को यूज करना होगा. सेम फॉर साउंड एंड इवेंट एंड कंट्रोल द होल इंस्ट्रक्शंस. तो अगर ब्लॉक की बात करते हैं, तो व्हाट इज ब्लॉक्स. ब्लॉक्स आर द generally represented with icons that can be clicked and drag to recorded them. Okay, if drag this block, click on random position, it's take any random position in as is. That can be clicked. Okay, and this graphical representation of code demonstrate the process of new user who may be unfamiliar with the program. यानी कि जो ब्लॉक कोडिंग है, जो प्रोग्रामिंग से फैमिलियर नहीं है, उनके लिए स्पेशली, यानी कि बिगिनर्स के लिए ये स्पेशली क्रिएट की गई है. तो नाउ we have to set its position. So go to x and y axis. So we will change the axis of 0 and 0. So its center position and set its direction and click on it. So its direction also changed, and we want to move the cat. Okay. So for moving the cat, we have to use the block. So first we have to run the program from green flag. So first of all, in event block, we have to use this green flag. Okay, now when we change any direction, first of all, change any direction, and when I click on it, not click on here, but click on green flag, it's work. Okay, like means that blocks this coding is worked. तो इसने वर्क किया जैसे ही हमने इसको रैंडम पोजीशन पे डाल दिया, बट जैसे हमने ग्रीन फ्लैग पर क्लिक किया तो इसको ये इसने कंप्लीट किया. And if we add again this, तो ओके मीन्स फर्स्ट ये आएगा अपनी पोजीशन पर, देन जाएगा वो रैंडम पोजीशन, बट हम इसको सीन नहीं कर पा रहे कि वो तो इमीडिएटली वर्क कर रहा है. सो इट्स कंट्रोल बाय वेट ग्लोब. ओके, it's come on its position and after 1 second it's go random position. You can do and check again and again. So these block are working similar. So students, 1 minute, uh, 1 minute, only 1 minute is there. For after 1 minute, the session will be end. For today, I want to know in this session you have to you have any query?